Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak your Fire Stick and install an app that lets you stream free movies and TV shows. It's something that I use all the time and honestly it's one of the best out there. The best part? It's super easy and takes less than 5 minutes, even if you're not tech savvy. Before we dive in, I would really appreciate if you could do me a quick favor. Hit the like and subscribe buttons. It helps the channel out a lot and I will be making more videos to show you how to access even more free content, TV shows, live sports, movies, and pay-per-view all for free. Oh, and if you're using apps like these, it's super important to use a VPN. The one I use every day is called IPVanish. It keeps your activity private, works on all devices, and right now there's a limited time deal for just $2.19 a month with a 30-day money-back guarantee. The link's in the description, so don't miss it. So guys, I'm using the Fire Stick 4K, so it may be a little different depending on which version you have, but it should be roughly the same no matter what device you have. Starting from the homepage, go to the search bar and type in Downloader. When it pops up as a suggestion, go ahead and open it and click the download button. Once that's done, hit the home button and scroll over to the settings and scroll down to My Fire TV. Now look for developer options. If you don't see it, go to About and click on your device's name 7 times. This will unlock developer mode and you will see a message confirming that you are now a developer. Press back and you should see developer options. Go in Select and click Install Unknown Apps and click on Downloader to switch it on. Now hit the Home button and open Downloader. Allow any permissions it requests and click OK. Then type in onstream.so in the URL bar and select Go. This will take you straight to the website and scroll down until you see Download on Stream and click it. Scroll down again and select On Stream for Android devices, since Fire Stick is based on Android. The download will begin automatically and when it's done, select Install. After it's installed, click Done and then delete the install file to save space. Now press Home, go to Your Apps and scroll down to find OnStream. When you open OnStream for the first time, you don't need to register with an email or sign in. Just tap Watch 1,800 plus movies and TV shows, and you're in. This has basically everything that Netflix and Amazon Prime has, and honestly, it's just awesome. Before we wrap up, let's talk about something super important when using these kinds of apps, which is a VPN. A VPN hides your online activity, so not even your internet provider knows what you're doing. The VPN I recommend and use daily is called IPVanish. It doesn't store logs, meaning that there's no record of your activity anywhere. You can use it on unlimited devices, so your Fire Stick, phone, laptop, and tablet are all covered under one account. Right now, they are offering a deal for just $2.19 per month and it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. And if it's not for you, just get a refund, no questions asked. Click on the link in the description to check it out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications for more tips like this. It helps me and the channel out massively. I will be making more videos on how to watch even more content, including live sports. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.